Well, the assembly is a one-day event that we organize every year. We go to a city, usually around Europe, and we get everyone from all offices into this place and celebrate each other.
The assembly is it's just one day in a year, but it's a key day to bring everyone together who love working with one another. And it's a very important day where they can get the time to explore their curiosity together, and it's enjoyable. And at the end of the day, one of the values of Novoda is the fact that we have to enjoy that journey.
The assembly impacts Novoda in so many ways. First, it's quite amazing to see people that have never seen each other in the flesh for the first time, and they're just like, oh, we worked for like 6 months together and this is the first time I meet you in person. That feeling is very nice, and it creates bonds that you wouldn't have otherwise.
I think what's really valuable about today, and in fact this whole weekend, is there's an attitude of change and a force of change. So what's really good is this gives a platform to not just look at what's happened, but really look forwards and empower people to put some passion into this and really want to change, because we all care a lot and we all care so much, and you can see it day in, day out. And it's so nice to have the opportunity to be part of that change and to really want to bring it forward. Yeah.
The most important thing about the assembly to me is getting to see people I don't necessarily work with every day or see every day, and working together to come up with the future of Novoda.
The most valuable thing for me about the assembly is to understanding where Novoda wants to go and being really heard. Basically asking as well, ask the employees to understand where do we feel Novoda should go as a collective, and really going forward together as like a group effort and being really heard in what we say.